Welcome. In this video I will guide you through the Sony Bravia remote control buttons. So in case of my TV I have these two beautiful remote controls which have, I think, all the buttons in the world. So I hope that this video will be like an ultimate guide. I will start with this one remote control. It's much simpler than the other one, and the purpose of the buttons on it are first the power button, of course, to turn your PC on and off, the quick settings button to open your TV settings, the TV button to switch to the TV source if you have it set up, next the source input button to change the source input. So if you want to, for example, switch to your PS5 or your other gaming console, the menu button to open your TV's menu. Now the navigation arrow keys, and OK button to select, return button in the bottom left corner of it, and home button in the bottom right corner to return to the start screen. Now here on the left side we have the volume adjustment buttons to increase or decrease your sound volume level. Now on the right side we have the channel switch to switch the channels when you are in the TV mode, and here at the top we have the voice assistant button to speak to your voice assistant. In order to do so, you're going to have to hold this button down and speak into your remote. Now below we have the mute button to mute the system audio and to unmute it too. Now here we have the Google settings button. Here we have the play pause button for the media, and here we have the channel info button. So when you're in TV mode you can see the info about your current channel. Now below we have, of course, the buttons that will transfer us quickly to different streaming platforms. Now let's check the other remote control. So what do we have here? Of course, the power button in the top right corner, the TV source, the same that we had on the previous remote control. Now this button is the info button, which will show us the time and date in the home on the home screen. Now this is the teletext button to show your current channel's info, the audio button to change the audio type. Now these buttons, except for the help, these two buttons work in the TV mode only. The help button will show you the support page and different guides on how to use your device. The exit button is used to exit any menu. Now, of course, the keypad, so to input channels. This dot button is for specific channels. So for example, channels like 7.1. I'm not sure if this feature is supported everywhere, but that's it. Yeah, the menu button again works only in TV mode. Now the color buttons that are specific to each application that you might use on your TV, an input source button in the top left corner right here, the TV settings button once again, return button, and menu button, the same menu button we had on the previous remote control. And of course navigation keys and select in the middle. Now at the bottom, the home button to return to the start menu. Now here we have the same volume adjustment buttons and channel switching buttons. The refresh button and mute button right here. Here we have the media controls, so play media, pause media, stop media, switch to the next media, to the previous media. Once again, Google settings, and on the right side we have the button to show the channel info, like the same one that was on this remote control right here. It's kind of blurry, so yeah. So this button is the same as this one. And so these are all the buttons on your remote controls. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.